India's manufacturing moment is here and now. To leverage this moment, manufacturing companies are constantly on the lookout for engineering services providers who can deliver such large-scale projects. In spite of the significant demand, many vendors struggle to stand out. Various challenges make it too difficult to generate quality leads and pursue growth. But all that's going to be a thing of the past. Introducing Venwiz, the fastest growing vendor discovery and capex procurements platform, transforming the way businesses discover engineering services vendors like you. With Venwiz, get discovered by the most elite enterprise clients across India looking out for a vendor like you. Showcase merit via your Venwiz profile. Let your prospective clients know all the aspects of your business like technical capabilities, past projects, and business compliance, enabling quick assessment and onboarding. Enhance credibility and be known for your competency by systematically building a reputation for your work. From inquiry to delivery, collaborate seamlessly with clients to deliver quality services on time and exceed client expectations. Handling multiple projects, track easily with a single window system. With Vendor Plus, access all our value-added services like ProSource for reliable and cost-competitive material sourcing, ProFinance to meet most of your financing needs, ProConnect to help find solutions to your service needs. So what are you waiting for? Be a part of the Venwiz family. Discover opportunities, build trust, expand capabilities, and redefine your growth journey. Create a stellar vendor profile for free.